Good day, my dear learners. I am Teacher Ryan and I am your Technology and Livelihood Education teacher in Cookery Grade 10. In our past lesson, we were taught about how to prepare a buttered shrimp. Today, we are going to prepare a cheesy chicken cordon bleu. And I am sure you will love it. So our objective of this lesson is A. Discuss briefly the history of chicken cordon bleu. B. Identify the different ingredients in cooking chicken cordon bleu. And letter C. Analyze the proper procedure in cooking chicken cordon bleu. Last one, we have letter D. Demonstrate the proper procedure in chicken cordon bleu.
This is the history of chicken cordon bleu. The chicken cordon bleu as a dish unto itself first appeared on restaurant menus in the United States in early 1960s. According to the Food Time website, it is a clearly an American recipe innovation. This specific combination name did not originate in Europe. It was considered as a trendy dish at the time and served fashionable in high-class restaurants. There are many regional dishes from Europe that shared characteristics with chicken cordon bleu. Some of the countries that includes roulades or rolled up of meats in their cuisine are Germany, France, and Italy. Almost of them are based on veal or chicken, wrapped around stuffing, another meat, cheese, or combination of any of these. Many of them are then breaded and fried. The names and recipes varied widely, but their connection to the dish is apparent.
These are the ingredients to prepare. We have 2 pieces of chicken breast fillet, 200 to 300 grams, 2 slices of sweet ham, 2 slices of cheese. For coating, we have half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, I just hope that you've been enlightened for many cloudy ideas in preparation and presentation of chicken cordon bleu. As a skilled in technology and livelihood, again, this is Teacher Ryan. See you again on our next cooking adventure.